Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build advanced public queue system with Google Sheets and Apps script. So if you want to build your own public queue system that updates in real time and anyone can access all for free using Google Sheets and Apps script, here I'm going to show you how you can do it and how you can create a fully functional queue management system where users can join, view, and remove themselves automatically. So first, you can just set up your Google Sheets. You can open a new Sheets like this, and then you can rename it into a public queue. Then create columns like, for example, in here, the queue number. And then the next step is name, status, and the timestamp. And you can remove here. And you can also add a few sample rows for testing in here. And next, you can open the app script. You can go to extension and click on app script. So once the app script is open, you can rename your projects into a queue system script. And in here, you can delete existing code and paste your custom script. And the script will auto-generate queue numbers, allow users to join via web form, and update status dynamically. Now you can just write the script logic. So for example, I'm going to just paste this in here. And then next in app script, you can also just click on the new files and create the web app interface. You can click on add a file and choose HTML. Here, go index right here. Now you can just add simple HTML or CSS for UI like a join queue input, show current queue table, and remove from queue button. And after that, you can just go to deploy in here and click on the new deployment and choose a new web app. Here you can choose web app and select here the execute as choose me, and the who has access, you can choose anyone. And here you can just click on deploy. Okay, authorize the access. Okay. After you deploy, you can just copy the link and share it publicly. And users can now join and view the queue. You can also add automation, so add a time-based trigger to auto-refresh or remove inactive users. You can use the onEdit trigger to automatically update queue status. So that's how you can build an advanced public queue system using only Google Sheets and App Script. No hosting, no paid tools. Try it out and comment below if you like the versions with another version. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.